Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to discuss about a very super amazing factorial. That's name is super factorial. You already knows that what is regular factorial, but in this video I'm going to tell you what about super factorial. So let's go start. So guys, you already knows that what is regular factorial. Okay, regular factorial, you already knows that. And factorial, what will be, how can we open this factorial? N into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 up to so on. Okay, and the second one is super factorial. Okay, its name, we can represent it by n this, it's dollar sign. Okay, you represent super factorial by dollar sign. Okay, how can you will open it? You will open it n factorial, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 2 factorial, n minus 3 factorial, okay, up to so on. And the last one is hyperfactorial. How can you represent this one? H of n, it will be equal to n to the n into n minus 1 to the n minus 1, okay, into n minus 2 to the n minus 2, okay, up to so on. Okay, now I'm going to multiply superfactorial and hyperfactorial. Okay, so we can write here superfactorial into hyperfactorial. So what will be the product of these two factorials? It will be, I'm going to open this one, it will be n minus 1. I'm opening this one, n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now I'm going to open this n minus 1 factorial. It will be n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now I'm going to open this one, n minus 2, so it will be 3 to 1. Okay, now we multiply this one, the hyperfactorial, it will be n times. Okay, it will be n into n minus 1 up to, it will be n times, because here n is n times and n minus 1 is n minus 1 time, so it will be n minus 1, and it will be n minus 2 and up to 3 2 1. Okay, so what will be the conclusion of this one? It will be, we can write n to the power n minus 1, because here n to the n, so here is n 1 more. Okay, so we can write n to the n plus 1. Similarly, we can write n minus 1 to the n plus 1 into n minus 2 to the n plus 2, n plus 1, sorry, up to so on, 3 to the n plus 1 into 2 to the n plus 1 into n to the n plus 1. Okay, so we can write this one n factorial to the power n plus 1. Okay, because here n minus 1, n minus 2, 3 to 1, it will be equal to n factorial. You can see here, so and power is same, so we can write n factorial power n plus 1. So we are going to discuss superfactorial. So it will be represented by dollar sign and dollar, and superfactorial. So we can write, I solve this one, it will be equal to n factorial double arrow up. It means n factorial height is n factorial. Okay, and we can write this one n factorial to the n factorial, n factorial, n factorial up to n factorial times. It will be height n factorial. Height of this, it will be n factorial. Okay, so if I take an example, it will 3 super factorial, it will be equal to 3 factorial double arrow up 3 factorial. Okay, and we can write this one, what will the value of 3 factorial? It will be 6, and double arrow up, and it will be the value of this 3 factorial, it will be also 6. So we can write by this one. We can write 6 to the 6 to the 6 to the 6 6 to the 6. It means 6 will be in the power 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So it's an amazing digit we have. So it will be our required answer. Guys, if you like my video, so like, share, subscribe, and here is a link of my Instagram ID in description, so you can follow me on Instagram. So see you next time. Thank you so much.